Hi, my name's Amanda Lesuer. I'm a student at Edinburgh University. I'm a sociology and psychology major. I did this research project for my honors contract with Dr. Patricia Claster of the sociology department. Um, so one reason I was interested in doing this project was due to having 3 children of my own, and just hearing all different types of return to school plans for all the different schools. I'm just wondering maybe what factors influence those decisions. So the name of my research project was Factors Influencing Pennsylvania School Districts' Return to School Since the COVID-19 Pandemic. I looked at 67 school districts that were randomly selected across Pennsylvania. I collected data from the schools' 2020 reopening plans, which were found on the schools' websites. They had to do these reopening plans and give them to the state for approval. Some of the factors that I was interested looking into on their reopening plans was what type of platforms they were offering for their students for their return, if they were offering online only classes, in-person only classes, or in-person and online classes. If the schools were offering in-person classes, were they offering full-time, half days, hybrid, or some other types? The third thing I looked at, and the last thing I looked at in their reopening plans, were school mask requirements, if they were wear them at all times, only when unable to social distance, or not required, or other. And then I went on to the Census Quick Facts website and collected data on the racial diversity, education, internet access, computer access, income, and poverty level in the school districts, counties. And then I also went onto the CDC website and collected the COVID cases, the number of COVID cases in each of the school districts' counties. So some of the findings I found that schools that were located in higher median household income and lower poverty levels correlated with schools opting for online only classes this school year. Most of the 6 school districts that were offering online only classes fell into the highest average income bracket and had greater computer and internet access, higher education, and greater racial diversity. These 6 school districts are also located in the counties with the highest COVID cases. So if you look up at the blue map, the in-person platform map, you'll see that the light blue was the in-person, the schools opting for in-person classes. The little bit darker shade of blue was the schools opting for hybrid classes. And then we had six school districts, all located in the southeast area of Pennsylvania, were offering, that are dark blue, were offering online only classes to their students. And then, so next, I found that lower computer and internet access correlated with school districts opting for full-time in-person classes. School districts that are opting for full-time in-person classes fell into the lower brackets for average income, computer and internet access, average education, and racial diversity. and were in one of the highest brackets for poverty. The counties these school districts were located in had some of the lowest level cases of COVID-19. And then school districts opting for hybrid classes fell in the middle to higher brackets in terms of average income, computer access, internet access, and average education. They fell into the lower to middle brackets for the racial diversity and poverty levels. COVID-19 cases ranged from some of the lowest to some of the highest cases in each of the school counties. So in the maps here that I have colored for race, so how the colors are signify the lighter colors are the lower levels, and as the colors get darker, the higher the levels, the higher they go. So I have maps here for race, education, COVID-19 cases, poverty, income, computer access, and internet access. And also for mask policies, I have a bar graph there. It was pretty evenly split between masks would be required at all times and masks only when unable to socially distance. For future research should build on this project by collecting data from randomly selecting number of states and school districts in those states. And that's that, and thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.